Creating beautiful decor for your home does not always require expensive materials. With simple waste items like ice cream sticks, cardboard, ribbon, artificial greenery, and glitter stones, you can design a unique wall hanging. This craft is not only budget-friendly, but also eco-friendly. It adds charm to your living space and can even be reused as a pencil holder or flower pot. Let's explore the step-by-step process. Materials required: ice cream sticks, cardboard roll, ribbon, artificial greenery, glitter stones, glue gun or strong adhesive, scissors. Step-by-step guide. 1. Prepare the base. Take a cardboard roll and cut it into the desired length. This will serve as the base of your wall hanging. Make sure the edges are neat for a clean finish. 2. Arrange the ice cream sticks. Place ice cream sticks in a circular pattern around the cardboard roll. Join them carefully with glue so that they form a balanced round shape. This creates a strong decorative frame. 3. Add the ribbon. Wrap a colorful ribbon around the cardboard roll to give it a stylish look. Tie it neatly and secure it with glue. The ribbon not only strengthens the base, but also adds a touch of elegance. 4. Decorate with artificial greenery. Attach small artificial leaves or thin green strips to the design. This step gives your decor piece a natural and refreshing appearance. Position them evenly around the circle for a balanced look. 5. Highlight with glitter stones. For an attractive sparkle, stick glitter stones around the ice cream sticks and greenery. This brings brightness to your craft and makes it eye-catching when hung on the wall. 6. Final touch. Check the overall design and adjust if needed. Once dry, your DIY wall hanging is ready. Multi-purpose use. The best part of this project is its versatility. You can hang it as a wall decor piece to beautify your room. Alternatively, place it on a desk and use it as a pencil holder. You may also convert it into a mini flower pot by placing artificial flowers inside. Why choose DIY decor? DIY crafts like this allow you to recycle waste material in a creative way. They save money, reduce waste, and give you personalized handmade decor. Moreover, crafting is a fun activity that enhances creativity and brings satisfaction. Conclusion. This DIY wall hanging made from waste materials proves that creativity has no limits. With just ice cream sticks, cardboard, ribbon, greenery, and glitter stones, you can design a charming decor piece at a very low cost. Whether you use it as a wall hanging, pencil holder, or flower pot, this multipurpose craft adds beauty and functionality to your home.